And the first thing I want to say is no matter what you're charging, your job is not to convince anyone of anything. So I think this is such a common mindset that people think selling is convincing. And I think selling is making the people that are going to benefit from your product aware that it exists, aware of how it's going to help them, aware that it's the solution to their problem. When you start talking about convincing, and not just you, I think tons of people do this, right? You're talking about taking someone who it's not the right thing for and trying to convince them that it is. And this goes into the very beginning stages of creating products. You should be creating things that you don't need to convince people. You should be creating things that are solutions to problems that people have. You also see this where people are sometimes try to convince people that they have a problem. Bad idea. Yes, theoretically you can do that, but you're making life way harder on yourself and it's probably not going to work. Go for the people that know they have a problem or actively seeking a solution to that problem, as opposed to going to the person and saying, no, 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 you really need this. Trust me, you have this problem. So that's the first thing. Your job is not to convince anyone of anything.